What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Sergio the Worshipper, your Christian guy, and today welcome to my first YouTube tutorial on how to be TikTok famous. This is a different type of famous. This is a good type of famous. This is how to be a Christian TikToker. At first I was doing it for my own pleasures. Basically, I wanted to be recognized, I wanted to be famous, and my account in the beginning was not even a Christian account. I know it's hard to believe, but I did a lot of worldly TikToks, and now God convicted my heart and told me that account is no longer mine but his. So now I post a lot of Christian TikTok, and I sit at 185,000 followers, and I'm gonna make sure you get there too. Now, before we start the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I do also live stream on Twitch, so go ahead and follow me there too. So you want to be a Christian TikToker, right? Christian TikTok community is very different to compared to regular TikToks. So you see, one of the things you first have to think about is, why am I doing this? You know, if you're doing this for yourself, if you're doing this for self-pride and all that sorts of stuff, skip the video. But if you're doing this to glorify God and you're doing this because you want to start a community and do all this sorts of stuff and help people and Jesus all around, right? Then you come to the right place. So number one, the first thing you got to do is post consistently. I'm talking 3 videos to even 6 videos every single day. You have to learn the times that you are able to post. After 3 days of posting 6 times every day or 3 times every day, you will get some analytics. And in your analytics, it'll tell you what are the best times to post. 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., and 6 p.m. So 4 times a day I post, and sometimes even more when I'm feeling a little good, you know? Those are my times that I like to post. Go ahead and post at those times too. Number 2, you have to be patient. You will grow a lot slower than a regular account, only because you are limiting your options. You're limiting yourself to only the Christian community in hopes that people from the world also follow you. Number 3, use trending sounds. Use at least one trending sound every day. All it takes is one sound to blow up, and boom, you will be known. You will be the Christian TikToker you want to be. But remember, make sure your heart is good. I don't know what step I am. I think I'm on number 4. But make sure the trending sounds are appropriate to your community. In the Christian community, you have to be careful with which trending sounds you choose. Don't just put in the background a sound of a song talking about shaking your butt. You know, like, make sure it's appropriate for the Christian community. Number 5, make sure you have small goals. When you start, you're going to be at 0 followers. So make sure you have a little sticky pad like this. Get one. You can get one at Staples for less than $3. Get one, have a pen, and write down your follower goals. For me, in the beginning, follower goals, one of them was 100. Once you reach that, go to 200. Once you reach that one, go to 300. And then once you're feeling a little more confident, then be like, my next follower goal will be 1,000, 2,000, yada, 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 so on and so on. Step number 6. Now, once you get to 20,000 followers, you are at a good spot. If you want to start having sponsorships and sorts of stuff, like I got sponsored by that Bible you see in the background. I get free merch from that company, feda.us. Go ahead and check them out. They're a really good company. But once you're at 20,000 followers, or even 15,000 followers, you can start getting sponsorships. So do not be afraid to start hitting up Christian companies. Hashtags. I forgot to talk about hashtags, but hashtag Christian, hashtag Christian TikTok, hashtag Christian FYP. Those are the 3 main hashtags that I use, and you guys should totally use as well. If you enjoyed this video today, make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you want me to do a part 2. This is my first tutorial. Hopefully I did good. Make sure to subscribe, guys. It really does help me out for the YouTube algorithm. And thank you again for watching this video. It's your boy Sergio the Worshipper. Peace out. Lates.